In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect the steering wheel on Need for Speed Heat. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to use any steering wheel model that you have on Need for Speed Heat. Thankfully, the game officially supports steering wheels, so you will be able to enjoy a more immersive experience. So all that you have to do is first connect your steering wheel to either your console or PC. So unbox your steering wheel, make sure that it is set up properly, you connect all of the necessary components together, and usually you are going to connect it to your platform with the provided USB cable. So look for an available USB port on your console, either PlayStation 4 or Xbox One or any other next-gen console that you might have, and on your PC do the same thing. If you are doing this process on PC, keep in mind that you might have to download specific drivers as well. So in this example, I'm going to show you the Logitech G Hub, where you will be able to download the drivers for Logitech manufactured steering wheels and also configure it before even starting the game. Now, once you have the steering wheel with the drivers updated on PC or properly connected on your console, just go ahead and launch Need for Speed Heat. Activate the steering wheel support by going over to the main menu, pressing the corresponding button, and you will be good to go. You can go over to the control options and allow your steering wheel to be calibrated, change the controls, the key buttons, and so on. And as long as you adjust the steering sensitivity, other settings to your preferences, force feedback, and so on, you will be able to enjoy the best experience possible in Need for Speed Heat. Usually, any steering wheel model is going to be supported by the game as long as you connect it directly to your PC or console and it gets detected. So it's super simple to set up and you will be good to go. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect steering wheel on Need for Speed Heat. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.